Hey guys, welcome back to your engineer YouTube channel. We are here presenting a course on HTML and CSS. This is the lecture number 25, and in this lecture we are going to talk about a CSS property called positioning. So positioning is of three type in CSS. That is, first is absolute, second is relative, and third is fixed. So we'll start with relative, then go with absolute, and then I'll tell you about fixed positioning. So positioning is a very important topic in CSS because in your website positioning is everything. You want to position your image, you want to position your content, anywhere the positioning is very important. So see this video thoroughly. So let's start. So in body I am going to paragraph. Let's say paragraph 1. This is para 1. Now again I am giving another paragraph. This is para 2. Now save it. Once I save it, I can see this is para 1, this is para 2 in my screen. Now in style, I am going to give a class style. So let's say rel pos1 as position relative, and the measurement of position is, let's say, top 100 pixel and left 100 pixel. Now save it. And in first paragraph, I am going to give the class as pos1. Now save it. Now if you reload it, you can see the position of this is para 1 changed, but you see that in top there is a lot much gap, but in left there is a very less gap because the 100 pixel is also in top and 100 pixel is also in left. But what the relative position is do, relative position do the thing positioning or any shifting from the original position of some content. So this paragraph, the original position of this paragraph is just above this para 2. So whatever the 100 pixel is giving from the top is the position from the original position of that particular paragraph. So that's how relative position work. It always change your position from the original position, not from the top corner, from the bottom corner, from the top or from the left. So that's how relative positioning work. It always work with the original position of your content. So after relative positioning, another positioning is absolute. So let's remove this paragraph. And in absolute positioning, I'm going to give position as absolute, and let's say I'm giving it here like top 50 pixel and left as 80 pixel. Now save it. Now you see this is para 1 just got shifted because in absolute positioning the position will always be determined from the top left corner of your screen. So whatever the screen of your web page screen of the top left corner, the position will be determined from there. So this is 50 pixel from the top and 80 pixel from the left. The 50 pixel is from the top right corner and 80 pixel from the top right corner left. So that's how absolute positioning works. Now how we can use both positioning in our single content. So for that I'm going to use another tag called div. So here I'm going to use div and then just wrap this paragraph around it. Now let's code it, and in div I'm going to give two styling. First is I'm giving the position as relative. Position as relative, and I'm going to give it a border called, let's say, 200 pixel. No, top border is 2 pixel. It will be solid and black. Now I'm giving a width so that it can be visible very good. So I'm giving width at the 500 pixel, and also, sorry for that, and also height as 500 pixel. Now save it and see what's happening. So now you can see that this is our division and this is our para 1. So now this para 1 is working like this is para 1 is now positioning itself from the top corner and not the top corner of the screen. It will work from the top corner of this division, whatever is in the wrapping. So first it was wrapped around a body tag, now it's wrapped around a div tag. So whatever this position is, it is related from the top corner of this division there. So that's how absolute position and relative positioning working. So in here in relative positioning I can give anything. I can give like top 50 pixel and left 50 pixel. So the position of this particular para is absolute now. Now this will work as a relative. How? This will shift according to some paragraph. So this will shift from the position from its position, but this one, this paragraph one, also shifted according to this div tag. It's like your bus is moving and you are sitting inside a bus. So you are moving, you are not moving from your seat. You are just sit here and bus is moving. So that's how div tag and absolute positioning and relative positioning work. It's something like you have read in your class 11 and 12, like Newton's first law of motion and second law of motion. Like your bus is running, your direction, but you are not moving, but the bus is moving. That's how relative positioning and absolute positioning work. And what about the fixed position? Fixed positioning is something like if I will just fix some position. If I'm giving a position as a fixed, that particular content will fix there. So whatever changes will made in your website, it won't affect the position of that particular content. So that is all about fixed positioning. So thank you very much for this video, and always remember the positioning, because positioning is going to be used anywhere in any website you are going to create. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like it, comment if you have any question, share it to your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe your engineer YouTube channel. Thank you very much. In next video we are going to talk about priority of the CSS. Thank you.